Hello, today we will guide you through how to link Google Tag Manager to Google Ads. To begin, open Google Ads and sign into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click Goals. This section is where Google Ads keeps your conversion tracking and related setup options, so it is the right place to start when you want to connect your tracking with Google Tag Manager. Next, open Conversions, then select Summary. This gives you an overview of your current conversion setup. From here, scroll down until you see the option to view all conversion actions and click it. This will take you to the full list of conversion actions available in the account. Continue scrolling down and choose the specific conversion action you want to work with. After selecting it, scroll to the bottom of that conversion action's details page. In the lower area, click Manage. On the right side, you should see an option to use Google Tag Manager. This is important because Google Ads provides the details you need here, and those details will be used when creating the tag in Tag Manager. Now open Google Tag Manager in a new tab and sign into the correct account and container. Once you are in the workspace, click Tags. Then click the New button, usually found on the right side, to create a new tag. In the new tag screen, click Tag Configuration. From the list of tag types, choose Google Ads. After that, select the option to send an event to track conversions. This is the tag type used to pass conversion information from your website into Google Ads. At this point, fill in the required fields by following the on-screen instructions. The information you need can be found in the Google Ads conversion settings you opened earlier, so it helps to keep that tab open while you work. Carefully copy the requested values into Tag Manager and make sure everything matches exactly, since even a small error can prevent conversion tracking from working properly. When everything has been entered, click Save. Then follow the remaining on-screen prompts to complete the saving process. As a final tip, take a moment to review what you entered before closing the page. Making sure you are in the correct Google Ads account and the correct Tag Manager container can save time later. Once saved, your Google Ads conversion setup is now connected through Google Tag Manager. Thanks for watching, and that is how to link Google Tag Manager to Google Ads. Ads.